China is facing deep concerns regarding its declining population. The country witnessed a record low number of births in 2022. The Asian nation witnessed a 10% decline in the number of babies born last year. As per the data published by the National Health Commission in 2022, China had just 9.56 million births. The number of babies born last year was the lowest figure since records began in 1949. Reports suggest that the significant decline in population indicates the government's inability to implement its schemes and policies to encourage parents to have more children. However, the Chinese government is trying to support parents with its schemes amid increasing alarm that the country will become demographically imbalanced. According to reports, the decline in population is the result of a lack of interest among couples to have more children. This is mainly because of the high costs of childcare and education, growing unemployment, and job insecurity. All these factors have deterred young couples from having more than one child or even having children at all. Last year, the country's population also fell for the first time in 60 years. Its population was recorded to be at 1.41 billion people. China also witnessed the lowest fertility rate in 2022. The declining population of the country has become a major cause of concern for domestic demographers who are lamenting that China will get old before it gets rich. The fall in population can result in slowing of the economy as revenues drop and government debt increases due to soaring health and welfare costs. One of the main reasons behind the shrinkage of China's population was its one-child policy. The country had imposed the stringent policy between 1980 and 2015. However, the abandonment of the policy nearly a decade ago had some impact on the population. Nearly 40% of Chinese newborns last year were the second child of a married couple. According to Chinese health authorities' data, 15% of the children were from families with 3 or more children. To increase the country's staggering population, China have been opting for a range of measures including childcare support, financial incentives, etc.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.